Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download fonts from Canva to your computer. But before we get into that, I want to let you know that the fonts in Canva are meant to be used within the Canva ecosystem. So you cannot download the fonts directly to your computer and use it on different software. Unfortunately, that is not possible. But a lot of fonts in Canva are actually available in other websites. A lot of fonts are actually free to use for personal and commercial use. So you basically just need to know the name of the font from your design, and then you can go to the internet and then download the font that you have been looking for. So let's start with this design. I have this access. If you have access to your design, that's really good because it will make it easy to identify the name of the font. What you need to do is you have to click on the text box, and you can see there is an upper menu right here. You can click font and it will reveal the name of the font. In this case, it's called Click Spartan. And if you go to Google, click Spartan font, you'll see that this font is actually hosted by Google Fonts, which I think one of the best resources to get fonts on the internet. And you'll see this is the official page basically of this font. And yeah, you can see there are some preview. You can also type on it. You can try play around with this font, and of course, if you want to get the font, you can click this button that says Get Font, and you can click Download All. So the font is being downloaded on my computer, and of course, I can use it. I can install it on my computer and use it on different software. So that's how you can do it. But if you don't know the name of the font, if you don't have access, but if you still have image, like maybe you have the image version of this design, then I do recommend using whatfontis.com to identify the font name based on the image. So what you need to do is you have to visit this page and then upload your picture, and then follow the steps, and then eventually you should be able to see some results that try to identify the name of the font. So it has some different options right here, but they got it right. Click Spartan right here. This is the correct font. But yeah, the downside of this technique is that you will see a lot of different options that look the same, and yeah, you have to figure out which one do you think is the closest to the original design. So yeah, that is the second alternative. Anyway, that's how you can download a font from Canva to your computer. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.